Hello students, welcome back. So today we'll see calculation of average speed. So as you know, average speed is total distance divided by total time. Now, if a body covers the total distance in equal intervals of time with different speed, then average speed is average of all those speeds. That is, here I have shown. Suppose body is moving from A to B in two equal intervals with different speed. Then average speed is V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Similarly, in second figure here, total distance is covered in three equal time intervals with different speeds. Then average speed is average of these three speeds, that is V1, V2 and V3. Similarly, it may be for any number of time intervals. Now, if I take first problem, a particle moves for 20 seconds with a speed of 3 meters per second and with a speed of 4 meter per second for another 20 seconds, and finally moves with a speed of 5 meter per second for next 20 seconds. The average speed of particle is, he has given options 3, 4, 5, 0. Now if you observe here, moves for 20 seconds, speed is 3. Speed is 4 for another 20 seconds. And next again speed is 5 meter per second for next 20 seconds. Means if you observe here, all three time intervals are same. So all three time intervals are same. Then average speed is average of all these speeds. So I can take average speed is equal to average of these three, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3. So if you simplify, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 divided by 3 is 4 meter per second. So option B is the answer, 4 meter per second. Now if I take second one, a man walks on a straight road. A man walks on a straight road from his house to market 2.5 kilometers away with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. So here I will take it as home, then market, distance he has given 2.5 kilometers. He is moving with a speed of 5 km per hour. Finding market closed, he instantly turns back and walks back home with speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. So he returns back, he sees market to be closed and returns back with speed 7.5 km per hour. The average speed of man over the interval of 0 to 40 minutes is equal to. So average speed you are required to find for 0 to 40 minutes. Options is 5, 25 by 4, 30 by 4 and 45 by 8. Now see here. Here he starts. So here time is 0. He starts from home. So as he starts from home, time is 0. Now, in 1 hour he covers 5 kilometers, 5 kilometer per hour. Total distance is 2.5 kilometers. So to move from home to market, he requires half of this time, that is half hour, or you can say 30 minutes. Clear, students? So from here to here, from home to market, he takes 30 minutes. Now, he returns back means he has asked for 0 to 40 minutes, means 10 minutes he will be coming back for our average speed to calculate. So this distance traveled in 10 minutes. Distance traveled in 10 minutes. So it is given by speed into time. So speed is 7.5 km per hour, but here time is in minutes. So I will convert this hour into minutes, that is 60. Time how much it takes? 10 minutes. So if I simplify, 0 gets cancelled, 7.5 divided by 6. So if we cancel 6 ones are 6. So 1 remains 15. 15 by 6 means 6 2s are 12. 3 remains, 6 5s are 30. So 1.25 kilometers. So from home he travels 2.5 kilometers up, and from market he comes back 1.5 kilometers, 1.25 kilometers. So this is the total distance. So from here t is 0. He comes here in 30 minutes. And next from here to here he take another 10 minutes, means up till here time taken is 40 minutes. So if I calculate average speed is total distance, that is 2.5 plus 1.25 divided by total time is 40 minutes. But here if you observe options, he has given it in hour. So I will convert the minutes into hour, means you are required to divide it by 60. So this is equal to 2.5 plus 1.25, 3.75 into 60 by 40. I have taken it to the numerator. So if I simplify this, as he has kept it in rational form, I will write this as 375 divided by 100. And if you simplify, this is 3 by 2. 22s are 23s, or 0 gets cancelled. So now cancel this. 25 4s are 100. So you'll have 25 ones are 25. 12 remains. 125 means 25 5s. So multiply, you will get the answer. 15 into 3. 15 3s are 45. 4 into 2, 8. 45 by 8 kilometers per hour. So our average speed is 45 by 8, means option D is the answer. Clear, students? So we will see another problem. Third if I take, a car travels 2/5 of distance, total distance, with speed v1 and 3/5 of total distance with speed v2. Then average speed is, so 2/5 of total distance, and second he says 3/5 of total distance. So if I take, let total distance, I will take it as x. So total distance from A to B, I will take it as x. So 2/5 of this distance means 2x by 5, and 3/5 means 3x by 5. So to cover from here to here, that is from A to, I will take this point as C. So speed is v1, here speed is v1, and here the speed is v2. Speed is v2. Now time taken. So we know that speed is equal to, speed is nothing but distance by time. So time I can take it as distance by speed. So distance is 2x by 5. So time taken from here to here, I will take it as t1. So t1 will be equal to distance by speed, that is 2x by 5 divided by v1, or you can say 2x by 5v1. Similarly from here to here, time taken, I will take it as t2. So distance by speed, so you'll have 3x by 5v2. Now we will put it in average speed. So average speed will be equal to, so total distance x, total time is t1 plus t2. Now substitute these values, x divided by total time 2x divided by 5v1 plus 3x divided by 5v2. Now take LCM. So after taking LCM, these terms go to the numerator, to the top. So LCM will be 5v1 v2. So x into 5v1 v2 divided by, if I take LCM, you will have 2x into v2 plus 3x into v1. Now I will take x common in a denominator. So x 5v1 v2 divided by x, if I take common, 2v2 plus 3v1. So x gets cancelled. So answer is 5v1 v2 by 2v2 plus 3v1, means our option is 5v1 v2 by 3v1 plus 2v2. So answer is D. Clear, students? So if you like the video, you share with your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, students.